So here's how to use WordPress to create a website for beginners. So WordPress is a free open source content management system or CMS that allows users to create and manage websites, blogs, and other web content. WordPress is constantly improving and is a reliable option for building a website. It's also open source, which means anyone can use it, modify it, and share it. So click on my link down in the description if you want to start using WordPress for free. So here on the WordPress website, you can get to see products, features, resources, and plans and pricing. So if you go over to the pricing section, you will get to see all the available plans that you can choose from, starting with personal and going all the way to enterprise. So here, if you click on Pay Yearly, you will get to see additional discounts from your packages. And you can also select Pay Monthly and see the monthly prices for the packages. Now, let's go over to the home page. From here, you can click on Login or Get Started on the top right corner. Then, you will see options to continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, or your email. And you have Login on the top right corner. So here, we will select Continue with Google. After that, click on your Google account that you want to use. Then click on Continue. After that, you will be logged into WordPress with your Google account. Here, you need to search and look for your domains. So search a domain name that you want to use. After that, you will get to see all your available options. From here, click on Select. You can also click on Choose My Domain Later on the right side. Then, you will need to select the plan that you want to use on WordPress. So let's go ahead and click on Start with Free. And now, just wait for it to load up. After that, you will get to see this section that asks you what are your goals. So select from the options and click on Continue. After that, you need to give your store a name. So type in a store name. After that, you have the option to put in a tagline if you want, but that is completely optional. And the store name is optional as well. So now let's fill up the both and click on Continue. Next, you'll be redirected to this page right here. And as you can see, there are a lot of templates to choose from. So go through them and click on the one that you like. And on this panel, you have some additional categories to choose from. So select the category that you like and click on the template that you want to use. So adjust this template and click on Continue. After that, you will get to see your WordPress homepage right here. And on the left panel, you will get to see all the available options that you can utilize. And on the home page, you have View Site and Hosting Overview on the top right. And on the left, you have all of these options. So click on Plugins. And as you can see, this is the Plugins Marketplace for WordPress. Here, you can scroll through and select whichever plugin that you want to use. So let's go ahead and click on this one. Here, you can click on Purchase and Activate. Then, just click on Install. And as you can see, in order to use this, you need to upgrade your plan. So let's cancel it for now. After that, go over to the left panel and click on Media. And this is where you will be able to see all of your media. Then let's click on Appearance right here. This will take you to the Appearance section, which is mainly for your themes. And this is where you will get to see all of your available themes. So scroll through them and select whichever theme that you want to use. You can also choose from these categories from the top. So if you select Portfolio or Blog, you will get to see the appropriate templates for these categories. So let's go through and select one that we want to use. This one looks good, but let's try something else. And click on this one right here. After that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, click on Activate this design or Preview and Customize. Let's go ahead and click on Activate and select Activate again to confirm. And as you can see, your template is being loaded up. And once it's done, you will get to see this notification on the top right. So let's click on Customize Site right here. And this will take you to the editor page of WordPress, where you can easily edit the template and make it your own. So as you can see, we now have the template that we just chose. And here, you can select any elements and make it your own. So let's go ahead and select this heading. And on the right panel, you have options like header that you can choose. After that, if you click on Edit right here, you'll get to see the edit options for this heading. Here, you can select the text and type in whatever you want to replace it with. And on the right panel, you have the design section. Here, select whichever part that you want to edit and change it according to your preference. So here, if you click on the text on the right, we will get to see some additional options on the right panel to make changes to your text. And if you select the entire text, you can align it and also click on these three dots to open up more options. So let's select the text again and go to the template part from the right panel. Then you can select the content type like site title or navigation. And once you select it, this will be labeled accordingly. This way, you can add more parts beside the text. Now, let's select this Get Started text and adjust the settings from the right panel. And as you can see, it's changing in real time. Also, you can bold it. Then, you can also put in a URL link for the text. Now, let's go back to the template. Here, click on this image. And you can see all of these options including replace. And after that, you can select where to replace it from. You can also upload if you want. So click on Upload and select the media that you want to upload from your PC or laptop. And as you can see, the image has been added right here. So this way, you can replace any of the images from your template. Now if you scroll down further, you will get to see all the other elements that you can edit and make changes to, like I'm doing with this latest text right here. So going down further, you can select the content width on the right panel. So select whichever one that you prefer, and also the justification like this. You can set it to left, middle, or right. Then you can go over to position and also advanced. And here you have some more options. After that, click on templates and then select the text from the template. Here you can select it as parent block. You can also click on this transform to option and select whichever option that you want to use. So click on columns. And as you can see, it has been converted into columns. So this way, just scroll through the page and make all the necessary changes. And once you're done, click on Save on the top right and then click on Save again to confirm. Now, just wait for it to get saved. And sometimes it may take a little while. And once it's done, you can get to see template updated on the bottom left corner. That way, you will know that it's successfully done. So just go ahead and start using WordPress in order to create your first website. You can follow these easy steps in order to create any website that you want. Just go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get started. And that is exactly how to use WordPress to create a website.